In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase and order to a bill in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential process for managing your business transactions smoothly and efficiently, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, you'll first want to make sure you're logged into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is locate and select the New button on your dashboard. This button is your gateway to creating various transaction types, including purchase orders. Clicking on New will open up a variety of options for you, so keep an eye out for the purchase order option and give it a click. This will take you to a new page specifically designed to help you create your order. Now, at this stage, it's really important to select the vendor to whom you wish to make the purchase order. You'll notice that QuickBooks Online provides a list of vendors that you've already entered into the system. Take your time to scroll through and find the right one. Selecting the correct vendor is crucial as it ensures your order is correctly attributed to the right supplier, allowing for seamless transaction tracking and management. Once you've selected your vendor, the next area you need to pay attention to is the Products and Services section. This is where you'll pick the specific items you want to order. Selecting the correct products from your inventory list is vital as it helps in maintaining accuracy in your inventory records. Make sure you take a moment here to double-check everything, especially if your inventory list is extensive. The next step involves entering the amount for the items you've chosen. You'll want to be very precise here. Enter the exact amount for each item and take a moment to verify it. This is an important aspect of the process because the amount you enter will carry over to the bill later on. It's always a good practice to double-check all your entries to avoid any discrepancies that could lead to issues down the road. After you've filled out all the necessary fields, your final step is to click Save. Saving the purchase order is crucial as it ensures all the information you've meticulously entered is securely stored in QuickBooks Online. Once you hit Save, your purchase order is complete and ready to be converted into a bill at the appropriate time. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This streamlined process not only helps keep your financial data organized, but also makes your accounting tasks more manageable. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.